Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your savings strategy with Digit. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Digit app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account using your email and a secure password. Connect your bank account by following the prompts. Ensure you have the necessary banking information ready for a smooth setup. Once connected, Digit will analyze your spending patterns. Select your savings goals within the app. You can choose specific goals, such as saving for a vacation or an emergency fund. Set the desired amount you wish to save for each goal. Decide how much you want Digit to save automatically. You can adjust the frequency of savings, such as daily or weekly. Activate your automated savings feature. Digit will now monitor your account and save small amounts based on your spending habits. You can check your savings progress directly within the app. Make adjustments to your goals or savings amounts at any time. Take advantage of the app's notification feature to stay informed of your savings activity. Review your accumulated savings and celebrate each milestone. Enjoy the convenience of having your savings automated for peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.